Hello children, how are you? I think you all are fine. Okay, now you know the whole world is going through a very bad condition, okay, or a very bad situation, that is coronavirus. Everyone knows. Okay, for that reason, we are staying all at our home. We are staying at home. Okay, and this is the only solution. If we stay indoor or at home, we'll be safe. Okay, now because all the colleges and schools are closed, okay, since all the schools are closed, no one can go to school, so we have selected this mode of study. What is this? Online study. Okay, now I'll teach you, I'll send my videos, I'll send you some worksheet. You will sit at home and you will do by yourself. Okay, otherwise it will be too late, okay, to finish our syllabus when we'll start with our schools. Okay, so I will teach you class 1. I will teach you environmental studies, that is EVS, and the first chapter is about myself. The first chapter is what? About myself. You all have your books. You can open the first page, the first chapter, that is about myself. What do you mean by the word myself? Myself means what? About yourself. You are what? Yourself, that is myself. I that is about me, myself. Okay, so in this chapter you will learn what you know about yourself. Okay, you have to write about yourself only. First, are you a boy or a girl? Okay, some of you are boy, some of you are girl, so you will say I am a boy, those are boy, and those are girl, you will say I am a girl. Okay, next, what is your next come what is your name? How old are you? Which class do you study? Which school do you go to? Where do you live? What is your mother name? What is your father name? How tall are you? What is your height? What is your weight? When is your birthday? What do you like to eat? What do you like to play? So all about yourself. So this chapter is, you will learn about yourself. You have to write it. You will open the chapters, you will see the page. You have to write about everything about yourself only. What you like, what you like to do, what you like to play, what you like to eat, what is your father name, what is your mother name, where do you live, all about yourself. Okay, whole chapter is about yourself. Okay, now the first thing, okay, that you will do is, see the first page, open the first page of a chapter, that is this page. See, about myself. So here is a picture of a boy and a girl. See the picture, there is a picture of a boy and a girl. Okay, if you are a boy, you will color the picture of the boy, and if you are a girl, you will color the picture of the girl. Okay, if you are a boy, you will color the picture of the boy, and if you are a girl, you will color the picture of the girl. This one you can do it by yourself. It's very easy. Okay, the first page you color it. Okay, don't color both the pictures. Boy will color boy picture, girl will color the girl's picture. Okay, now next you will write, see the next page also, you can see the next page. See, you have to write your name. Hello, I am. What you will write here? Hello, I am. You write your name. I am a boy. If you are a boy, you will write a boy. If you are a girl, you will write a girl. I study in class 1. You will write I study in class 1. I like to play. I like to play. What you like to do? You like to play. Or if you like to study, then you will write I like to study. I like to watch movie. I like to watch cartoon. Whatever you like, that is your wish. Okay. Then the name of my school is, in my school's name, Next Gen Public School. You will write the name of my school is Next Gen Public School. Dash is my country. What is the name of a country? You will write India is the name of my country. India is my country. Next, what is your father name? Your father name will write, there is a place, see in the third page, page number 3. This is my father's name is. You will write for your father's name, and then you will write your mother's name. What is your mother's name? See this one, page 3. So you will write your father's name, mother's name. I am 25 centimeter tall. What you will write? I am dash centimeter tall. What is your height? You will write a height. I am 1 meter. I am 100 centimeter tall. Okay, you write your height, centimeter. What is your weight? I am 20 kg weight. Okay, you write. This all you do by yourself. Okay, very easy. You can do it by yourself. All about yourself. Okay, you write it by yourself. Okay, just a practice for it. You will write it by yourself. Now, then when? What do you mean by birthday? The day on which you are born, that is known as birthday. You can write your date of birth. I was born on dash month. Suppose 1st January, you will write 1st January the year 2012, 13, 14, whatever is your year, you will write here. Then your birthday, you will write your birthday date over here. See, I was born on C. I was born on your date and the year. Dash is my favorite thing. The playing thing you can write, or books is, you can write toy is my favorite thing, car is my favorite thing, doll is my favorite thing, you can write. So this chapter is all about yourself, nothing else. Okay. Now what is your age? Age, you can write the age. I am 5 years, I am 6 years old, I am 7 years old. What is the age you write now? Now the thing which is important, okay? Now, when you write about yourself in this chapter, when you write about yourself in this chapter, you will write, okay, what are the things? Always you know, always you use the words, okay? What are the words? When you write about yourself, what are the your words you will use? You will use me, my, mine, myself and I. What are the words used for myself? Always use the words me, my, mine, myself and I when you speak about yourself. My name is, your name you will say. That is my book. Okay, when you write about yourself, okay, mine. That is mine thing, or you can say, I am Aditya. Okay, that is my book. Okay. So when you write about myself, yourself, you have to use the words me, my. Okay, me, my, mine, I. These are the words used when you use about yourself. Okay, you should know this one. So see, when you write, see, when you, can you see? When, see, can you see? When we speak about ourselves, we use the words. What are the words we use? Me, mine, myself, okay, my and I. These are the words you should use when you speak about yourself. Okay, when you speak about yourself, which are the words you should write? Me, my, mine, myself, I. Me, my, mine, myself, I. When you write about yourself, these are the words which you should use. Okay, so this is the chapter, nothing else is there. Very easy chapter, first chapter, that is you have to write about yourself. Okay, now, so your homework will be, I will give you a very easy homework. Okay, a drawing and you write about it. This is your homework. See, if you are a boy, if you are a boy, you will draw a boy picture. If you are a girl, you will draw a girl picture. Okay, see, can you see? If you are a boy, you will draw a boy picture. If you are a girl, you will draw a picture of a girl. Finish. And you will write 10 lines about yourself. What is your homework? Write 10 lines about yourself. This is write 10 lines about yourself. Write 10 lines about yourself. That is your myself. Okay. This will be your homework. Now, you go through the chapter. It's very easy. You write first the dotted lines. See the dotted lines? You fill the dotted lines and you write these things only in 10 lines about yourself. So what will be your 10 lines? I am Aditya Roy. Suppose I am giving a name. I am a boy. I am tall. I am 20 kg. My father's name is dash this. You will write my mother's name is this. I like to play football. My school's name is Next Gen. I go to Next Gen Public School. India is my country. My birthday is on 10th of February, whatever is that, and the year you write. I like to play cricket. This all everything about yourself. You write everything about yourself. Okay, that is myself. That is you know more about yourself. What you like. You have to write what you like, where do you go, what you like to eat. I like to eat ice cream, or I like to eat whatever you like. Like to eat chow mein, pizza, whatever you like to eat. Okay. So I like to eat chips. Okay. I like a red color is my favorite color. I like to draw. I like to listen to music. I like to watch cartoons. You write anything you can write about yourself. Okay. So this chapter is about yourself. Why this chapter has been given? To know yourself more. You should know yourself. What are you? What do you like? Okay. So this chapter is about yourself. What you do. What you like to do. Okay. What is your name? What is your height? What is your weight? What is your age? What is your birthday? Which school do you go to? Which class do you go? Okay, what is your father name, mother name, all these things. Okay, so your homework will be write 10 lines about yourself. Try to draw. It's not that you have to draw exactly what you are, same face, same body, no need. Just if you are a boy, you draw a picture of a boy, and if you are a girl, you draw the picture of a girl. Okay, you draw it any sort of, just it should be a shape of a girl and a shape of boy will be okay. You don't have to do perfect drawing. Okay, just a practice for you drawing. And you write 10 lines about yourself. And what will be the 10 lines? I'll help you. See, write your name. My name is, I am 6 years old, or whatever is the age. I go to Next Gen Public School. I study in class 1. My mother's name is this. My father's name is this. I have 2 brothers, or I have 1 brother, 1 sister. I like to play cricket. I like to eat ice cream. I like to study. My best friend is Rohan. Anything you can write. I live in India, or I live in Jalpaiguri. So many things are there. These are the things you have to write. Okay. So can you do by itself? I think it's very easy. It's clear. Did you understand? So what will be homework? You draw a picture of yourself. Sorry, a boy or a girl, and you write 10 lines about yourself in your school copy. You have your school copy. You have your books. You open your school book. The first chapter is, see, in EVS class 1. See, about myself. See the first chapter. This one you can do. You have to just color it. Then see, you do this one, you will get it very clear. See all these things. Okay, I like, my name, I study. This one you fill it up, then only you can write 10 lines. Very easily you can write 10 lines by yourself. Okay, it's very easy, nothing else. Okay, nobody in the world is same like you. You are the only one, unique. See, here it is written, I am unique. See the word, I am, what is this? I am unique. Nobody in the world, is in the world as same as me. Unique means only one piece. You are the only one piece. Same like you. You can never find anyone same like you. You can never find anywhere like you. So you are the unique. Unique means only single piece, one piece. No one else is same like you. That is called unique. And what are the words you should use when you write myself about yourself? Me. I have shown you. These are the words. Me, mine. Me, mine, myself, my, and I. These are the words when you should use when you write about yourself. Okay. So if I ask you what are the words you should use when you write about yourself? Me, mine, myself, mine. Okay. What are the words that you should use? You should use me, my, mine, myself, I. There are 5 words when you should use when you write about yourself. What are the words? Me, my, mine, myself, I. Me, my, mine, myself, I. These are the words you should use. And what is the meaning of the word unique? Unique means a single piece. No one is same like you in this world. Okay. So what will be your homework? You draw yourself in your copy, a rough drawing of yourself, a boy or a girl, whatever. If you're a boy, you will draw a boy. If you're a girl, you will draw a girl. And you will write 10 lines about yourself in your copy. This will be your homework. Okay. For today, this much. I think it is clear. It's very easy. This chapter is nothing about yourself. Just to know yourself more. Nothing else. Okay. Thank you, class.